Welcome back to another DaVinci Resolve tutorial. My name is Eddie and I'm your host here at Yesterday's Tomorrow. In today's DaVinci Resolve tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to reverse your clips. This can be very useful, especially if you're doing some kind of a creative edit. Whether that is B-roll shots of a product or even a moving subject in a travel video. This can be used in so many different ways, and it is also a good trick to know in order to just overall level up your video editing game. So if that sounds interesting to you, then without wasting any more time, let's go ahead and dive into the tutorial. Alright, so now we are in DaVinci Resolve, and I'm in the video that you're actually watching right now, and I want to take and reverse my clip for the intro. So I figured this would be a good time to show y'all how to do this. So I've got the same clip queued up twice, and we'll go ahead and play them through real quick. In today's DaVinci Resolve tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to reverse your clips. In today's DaVinci Resolve tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to reverse your clips. Alright, so you can tell they're the exact same. In order to be able to reverse this clip, first thing you're going to want to do is come to the clip you want to select, and you're going to right click. You're going to come up here to where it says retime controls. We're going to turn that on, and now you see the clip itself has changed. What you want to do now is go where it says 100, and you're going to click the little down arrow, and from here we're going to hit reverse segment. Now let's play this back through real quick. In today's DaVinci Resolve tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to reverse your clips. Alright, so you can tell that's not quite the desired effect that I have in mind. So this will be a little bonus tip for something like this to really emphasize the effect you want. And come back down. We're going to change the speed, and we're going to speed it up. I'm going to do it by about 400%. So now you can see that shortens it by quite a bit. Let's play it back through. In today's DaVinci Resolve tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to reverse your clips. So as you can tell, it's a little bit more to the point and really emphasizes, the effect that I'm going for without wasting a bunch of time. And now what you want to do in order to close the window out, zoom in just a little bit. You're going to click on the X button right here. Sometimes the pointer won't show up, but it'll still click it. You can do it like that, or you can go back in and you can just right click and uncheck the retime controls. I hope that you learned a few new tricks that you can add to your video editing arsenal. Almost every video that I share regarding video editing tips and tricks for DaVinci Resolve can all be combined together, and this will, over time, as you practice and the repetition, your video editing skills will be on another level. Video editing is not easy by any means when you first get started, and this is especially so if you don't have anybody out there that you know that can teach you. In time, with repetition and practice, you will get better though, and you'll be on the way to making your own epic videos, or you could even be freelancing your services once you get a good foundational knowledge of how to edit videos. Over time, this will make you a better storyteller, and as everybody else says, here on YouTube, story is king, and your content needs to have a good story. Whether that's in a tutorial like today, or if you're, doing travel content, there's got to be some kind of a story that is cohesive, and your editing allows you the creative freedom to shape the story how you want it. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to smash the like button. This helps us with the YouTube algorithm in so many ways, and it helps get this content out to even more people. If you have any questions or feedback, make sure to drop them down in the comments below. I love to read them, and I love engaging with you guys. So without your help and your feedback, our channel would not grow and become better over time. And lastly, if you enjoy the content, consider subscribing,
hit the bell for the notifications so you know when we go live with another video. We would love to have you here as part of the community. So thank you everybody, and I will catch you on the next video.